We'll get started. So yesterday, till what problem did we do? What was the last problem that we did yesterday? $14th, I told no need to do. $15th again, it's easy, right?
Yes, I think we are in 16th, sir.
Okay. Find the equation of a line which is equidistant from the parallel lines. Okay. So which is equidistant from the parallel lines means. Okay. Let me explain this. So how to proceed? There are two parallel lines given, 9x plus 6y minus 7 and 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. 9x plus 6y minus 7. Okay, I'll take it like this. 3x plus 2y plus 6 is equal to 0. 9x plus 6y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. And there is a line L is equal to 0, which is equidistant from both. Okay. Then, see, when I say equidistant, the distance between these two parallel lines is the same as the distance between the other two parallel lines. Right? If that has to happen, if you need to find the distance between parallel lines, what is the important concept to be kept in your mind? So before you apply the formula of distance between parallel lines, what is the important concept I told you?
M1 equal to M2, sir.
Not that thing. So you have to multiply. You have to make the equations in such a way that the first two coefficients are going to be the same. Okay, so 9x plus 6y. So what I did is 3x plus 2y, I multiplied with 3. It became 3x plus 6y plus 18
sir.
is equal to 0. Yeah, 18 is equal to 0. Then the equation of required line will be, listen to the way I'm going to write. Equation of required line will be, so whenever I have another line, since both are 9x plus 6y, can I say 9x plus 6y plus some constant is going to change for it? Okay. So this is the equation of L is equal to 0. Now find the distance between LL1 and LL2, equate them, you will get the value of C. So look at the way I'm going to write. Modulus of 18 minus C divided by root of 9 square plus 6 square is equal to modulus of minus 7 minus C the whole divided by root of 9 square plus 6 square. Am I right? 9 square plus 6 square will get cancelled. So 18 minus C will be equal to plus or minus 7 plus C. So 18 minus C will be equal to 7 plus C, or 18 minus C will be equal to minus 7 minus C. So 18 plus 7 is 11 is equal to C, or 25 is equal to 0. So this will not work. So 11 is equal to C, 2C means C is equal to 11 by 2. So what will be the required equation? 9x plus 6y plus 11 by 2 is equal to 0. Did you understand what I did?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. So this is wrong. It doesn't work. The right side one doesn't work. Okay. Next question. If the two opposite vertices of a square are 1, 2 and 5, 8, find the coordinates of the other two vertices and the equations of its sides. If the vertices of a square, if the opposite vertices of a square are 1, 2 and 5, 8, let this point be alpha, beta, let this point be L, M. Then they are asking find the coordinates of the other two vertices. So for a square, what will happen is the midpoint of the diagonals is going to coincide, right? So can I say alpha plus L by 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 by 2? So alpha plus L is equal to 6. Similarly, beta plus M is equal to 10. Is there anything else that I can do? Yes. So there are actually 4 unknowns and 4. So 4 unknowns means how many equations do we need?
What did you ask, sir?
So I asked 4 unknowns means how many equations do you need?
4 equations, sir.
You need 4 equations. So I have formed 2 equations using the midpoint formula. The other 2 I can form by using the right angle property. So beta minus 8 divided by alpha minus 5 into beta minus 2 divided by alpha minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So I can take this as one form. Similarly, what will be the other equation? What will be the other two equation? Similarly, I can say m minus 2 divided by L minus 1 into 8 minus m by 5 minus L is equal to minus 1. So m minus 2 into 8 minus m. So when you solve these, you will get the required expression. Okay, this is one thing. And tell me one more thing. How much is this angle? This is 45 degrees.
45, sir.
This 45. Then how much is this? This is going to be 90. Okay,
Yes,
I
sir.
can say that the diagonals intersect at 90 degrees. So when the diagonals are going to intersect at 90 degrees, product of slope of diagonals is equal to minus 1. So 6 divided by 4 into beta minus m by alpha minus L is equal to minus 1, which implies beta minus m divided by alpha minus L is equal to minus 4 by 6 or minus 2 by 3. Okay, so what I'm trying to say from here is beta minus m is equal to minus 2 by 3 times alpha minus L. And beta plus m is 10. So when you solve these two, are you going to get anything? Actually, there are many ways to solve this, but that is not there in your syllabus. See, this problem I'll explain later. Actually, there is a formula like this. L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0, but this is not there in your syllabus, so I can't explain this. Okay. So this problem actually can be ignored. This will not come for your CBSE at least. Let's move on to the next one. So in a colony as shown in the figure, an electric pole has been installed. Okay. The pole has been tied by strong wire PQ to support this pole. Where is it? Okay, PQ to support this pole. Some electricians were working on the staircase PS. Okay. In the left and right of the pole, two street lamps are fixed at a height of 3 meter and 4 meter respectively. These lights are given supply by the wires PM and PN. Where is PM? Okay, PM and PM. The height OP is equal to 5. The height OP is 5 meter and O is the height OP is 5 meter and O is the origin. Okay, O is the origin. What are the coordinates of the point P? Can you tell me what are the coordinates of point P? It's very simple. P is on y-axis.
Zero comma.
Yes. It is 0, 5. Next. What is the length of the staircase? This 5 meter, this 12 meter. So length will be 13 meter. Right, 5, 12, 13 are Pythagorean triplets, so 13 meter. What is the area of the triangle OPQ? Where is OPQ? What is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. So it will be 20 meters square. 20 meters square. What is the equation of the line PN? So what is the equation of the line PN? For me to find the equation of PN, what do I need? I need the slope of... How do I find the coordinates of N? If I drop a perpendicular here, this point is 0, 3. So what will this point be? This is 12 and this is 3. So this distance is 15.
15,
So minus 15, 3. Second quadrant, no?
yes.
So for equation of Pn, P is 0, 5, N is minus 15, 3. So for Pn, find the slope of it. 2 divided by 15. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So 15y minus 75 is equal to x. So 2x no option. 2x minus 15y plus 75 should be equal to 0. I think there is a mismatch. Here it should have been 2x, then this would have been the right answer. Let me check. 15. There is a mistake, guys. This is the answer. 2x minus 15y plus 75 is 0. Okay. What is the length of the wire PM? So find the coordinates of point M. Tell me. 10, 10, 4. Diagram
Yes, sir.
itself is given wrong. 10, 4. Use the distance formula. Square root of 100 plus 1. Square root of 101. Is there an option? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So question is easy only actually. Okay, next. Villages of Shanu and Aruns are 50 km apart and are situated on Delhi-Agra highway as shown in the following picture. Who is Varun? Okay, let's see. Another highway YY dash crosses the Agra-Delhi highway at 0, 0. A small local road PQ crosses both the highways at the points A and B such that OA is 10 km and OB is 12 km. Also, the villages of Barun and Jitu are on the smaller highway YY dash. Barun's village B is 12 km from O and that of Jitu is 15 km from O. It's 12 km and Jitu, where is Jitu? Downwards. 15 km. What are the coordinates of point A? It's easy. 10, 0. What is the equation of AB? So this is 10, 0, this is 0, 12. What is the slope? Slope of AB is 12 by 10. That is 6 by 5. Did I tell you a shorter way to write the equation? So when you have the slope, multiply the numerator with x, denominator with y, change the sign, is equal to, substitute any one of the points in it. It will be 60 minus 0. So 6x minus 5y minus 60 is equal to 0. Oh, this minus 12 by 10. So minus 6 by 5. So 6x plus 5y minus 60 is 0. Answer is second option. What is the distance AB from the origin? What is the distance AB from the origin? Means from here, what is the perpendicular distance? How to find the perpendicular distance from a point to a line? 60 divided by, substitute the point, 6 into 0 plus 5 into 0. 60 divided by root of 6 square plus 5 square. So 60 divided by root of 36 plus 25. So 60 divided by root of 61. 60 by root 61. What is the slope of AB? Slope of AB is minus 6 by 5. What is the length of AB? Length of AB you can find at root of 100 plus 144. Root 244. Root 244 is how much, guys? (61). So 2 root 61. I hope you understood. I feel like as if I'm practicing for myself. Are you guys there on the other side?
Understood, sir.
Others? So 20. Let P x1, y1 be a point and let ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 be a line. If L, H, K is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point on this line and Q, I think it is A, 3. Is the image of the point, then this problem also you can't do. Smaller, higher level thinking. Because you have to use
Not
something
in
called as a
syllabus, sir.
parametric equation. No, it's not there. You have to use something called as parametric equation. I randomly generated the question paper. Okay. This is an old paper that I took. So parametric equation is not there in your syllabus, so don't worry. This problem is not needed. 21 you can do. Find the equation of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the line 4x plus 3y minus 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Also find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. So always this kind of a problem. See, the given line is 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 5. Put x is equal to 0, you'll get the y coordinate, which is 5 by 3. So this point is 0, comma minus 5 by 3.
Minus 5 by 3, right, sir?
Correct only, no?
That's correct.
But it is only 5 by
Sorry.
3, yeah? No,
It's
it is,
5 by
no,
3.
I think it is only 5 by 3, yeah. So put y is equal to 0, x is minus 5 by 4, correct?
Yes.
So it is minus 5 by 4, comma 0. So when you join these two, you will get a line. This is the line 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. From this point, there is a perpendicular that is dropped from the origin. So what is that they are expecting? They are expecting you to write the equation of OP. So what is the equation of OP? So for you to write the equation of OP, you need to know the slope of OP. So slope of OP into slope of AB is equal to minus 1. This point is A, this point is B. So slope of AB is how much? It is 4 by 3 is minus 1. That is slope of OP. So what is slope of OP? Minus 3 by 4. And the point is 0, comma 0. Required equation will be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Generally, the equation of straight line through origin is y is equal to mx. So y is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x. Correct? So that is the required equation of the perpendicular. Then they are expecting you to find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. How will you find the coordinates? So y is equal to y plus 3 by 4 into x is equal to 0. And 4x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So 4y plus 3x is equal to 0. Solve these two and tell me what is the answer. Do it fast. Rohan, what's the answer?
The 1 minute, sir, I'm finding by.
Wait. 4 by 3 minus 3 by 4. Then it should have been 3x plus 4. That's right.
So I got x equal to minus 4 by 5 and y equal to 3 by 5. 4 by 5.
4 by
Minus 4 by 5, sir.
and y is?
And x is minus 4 by 5 and y is 3 by 5, sir.
But I think it should be related to first quadrant. No? Even the diagram is saying. No? Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry. I think what you got is right. Because minus 5 by 4 belongs to second quadrant. Sorry, I made a mistake. Yeah, tell me what is the point? Minus 4 by 5, comma?
3 by 5, sir.
Let me check the answer once. Minus 4 by 5, comma 3 by 4. Perfect. That's right. So that is how you solve. Okay. So all the methods that are there I've covered. Only thing that I have not touched is how to find the area when 3 points are given. I think you have been doing it since your 10th standard. That's not a big deal. So I've explained all the concepts that are based on slope, perpendicularity, collinearity, and how to write the equations, foot of the perpendicular, image, all those things. right? Suppose this question is extended, asking you to find the image of the origin with respect to line. What will your answer be?
What is the question?
See, here they asked us to find the foot of the perpendicular, right? If
Yes.
suppose they put the question like this, find the image of origin with respect to 4x minus 3y, what is that line? Plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the line they have given. So what is the answer is, so you got the line. This is the origin. You got the foot of the perpendicular. How much is that? Minus 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. So image will be somewhere over here. No, let that image be alpha comma beta. Then alpha comma beta and 0 comma 0, the midpoint of these 2 points will be the foot of the perpendicular. So whenever they ask you the image, no, you have to proceed by finding the equation of the perpendicular. These are the steps you need to follow. You have to follow the steps of finding the perpendicular line, finding the foot of the perpendicular, then take alpha, beta, and then solve. For example, in this problem, alpha plus 0 by 2 and beta plus 0 by 2 is how much? Is minus 4 by 5, comma 3 by 5. So alpha is equal to minus 8 by 5, beta is equal to 6 by 5. So the required foot image will be minus 8 by 5, comma 6 by 5. I hope you understood.
Understood.
So that's it from my side. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask, or else I'll wind up.
No doubts, sir.
Okay.